Hello students, I hope you all are doing well at your home. We were doing chapter number 1 of class 10 science. Today's topic is types of chemical reactions. So before that, chemical reactions. We have already done chemical reactions. What is it? It's a process in which certain things react to form certain new things. These are known as reactants and these are known as products. Okay, this example, this particular equation I have taken from activity 1.3 so that it's easy for you to understand. Now one more thing, ऐसा नहीं होता कि ये जो रिएक्टेंट है और ये प्रोडक्ट है सडनली ये रिएक्टेंट गायब हो गया, इट नेवर डिसअपियर्स. और ऐसा नहीं होता कि जो ये नई चीज बनी है इट सडनली अपेयर. देयर इज नो मैजिक इन दिस. तो होता क्या है केमिकल रिएक्शन में? व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस इज there are bonds over here, they break down. For example, we have zinc over here, this is one atom, this is H2SO4 sulfuric acid. तो ये दोनों क्या होता है, इसका ये वाला बॉन्ड टूट जाता है. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंस इन रिएक्टेंट्स, देयर आर सर्टेन बॉन्ड्स दे ब्रेक डाउन. तो यहां से ब्रेक हुआ बॉन्ड, ये दोनों अलग हो गए. देन व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट, जिंक और इस सल्फेट का नया बॉन्ड बनता है. देन न्यू बॉन्ड्स आर फॉर्म्ड एंड देन फाइनली न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स. सो आर यू क्लियर विद व्हाट आर केमिकल रिएक्शंस? Chemical reaction is a process. What happens in that? In case of reactants, certain bonds break down and then afterwards new bonds are formed that we call new products. Now moving on to types of chemical reactions. There are 5 types of chemical reactions. Combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, double displacement reactions, and last but not the least, oxidation reduction reactions. Today we will be doing only combination reactions. So when you look at this word combination, what comes to your mind? Combination मतलब combine होना, मिलना. So combination reactions are the reactions in which 2 or more substances they combine. Okay, 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा substances मिलते हैं and they form only one product. That's called combination reaction. Combine होना. For this, to explain this, what I'll take example of activity 1.1. You remember magnesium? Magnesium ribbon was burnt in air. What was used of air? Oxygen. Okay, to form magnesium oxide. I'm balancing this right now. Okay. So again, what is over here? 2 substances they are reacting. Okay, they are combining to form a single substance. This is an example of combination reaction. Okay. Now moving on further with examples. See, examples that I'll be taking, I am particularly sticking myself to the NCERT because we cannot go beyond that. So first is burning of coal. Coal, you all know it's carbon, koila. Okay. So I've taken coal over here, it's solid in nature. Whenever you see the word burning, it means you have to write oxygen over there. Burning of coal. Oxygen is the gas. What do you get after that? You get CO2, carbon dioxide gas you get. First example is clear. 2 substances they are combining to form a single substance. Next is formation of water. How is water formed? We take hydrogen gas, we take oxygen gas, both chemically react to form water. That is liquid in nature. I'm writing the physical states along with them. Now I'm balancing it. Okay. Now third is reaction of calcium oxide with water. Calcium oxide reacts with water. There is an activity based on this reaction. Okay, I'll explain you that as well. Whenever calcium oxide is solid, it reacts with water that is liquid. It forms calcium hydroxide. Along with this, we get heat. Now, what is about that activity? In that activity, what we have to do is we have to take a beaker. In this beaker, we'll put calcium oxide. क्या डाला हमने? कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड. द कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड हैज गॉट 2 नेम्स. CaO, इसका केमिकल नेम है कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड देयर इज वन कॉमन नेम टू इट एंड द कॉमन नेम इज क्विक लाइम. इसे हम क्विक लाइम भी कहते हैं. सो इन बीकर व्हाट डू वी हैव क्विक लाइम. टू दैट विल बी एडिंग वाटर. हम इसको वाटर ऐड करेंगे. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स व्हाट वी विल ऑब्जर्व दैट देयर इज a reaction between the two. Okay, जैसे ये reaction होती है, it vigorously reacts. Okay, quickly they react with that intense, and afterwards you get a compound known as calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide हमारे पास आ जाता है. There is one more name to this calcium hydroxide, that is slaked lime. Okay, you get slate line. I'm writing common names over here, okay? And when you touch this beaker, you will feel that the beaker has turned warm. It means heat has come out. Okay. So are you clear with the activity also? I have written reaction also over here. Now what happens? Now we'll talk further about these things. Calcium oxide reacts with water. Calcium oxide liya, water add kiya. We got calcium hydroxide along with beaker was a bit warm. Now what I'll do is I'm rubbing over here and write the further reactions upside of this. Now this calcium hydroxide, this one, this is aqueous in nature. Aqueous, when do we use aqueous? When water is mixed. Okay, पानी का, it's a solution in which water is there. It's aqueous in nature. अब यही चीज है, whenever we whitewash the walls, okay, this is being used for whitewashing the walls. Keep in mind, calcium hydroxide is the chemical that is being used for whitewashing the walls. यही whitewash करने के काम आता है. You might have observed whenever we whitewash the walls, after 2-3 days we get the actual shine on the walls. Okay, 2-3 days के बाद shine आता है. Now why is that shine? Within these 2-3 days, what happens? This calcium hydroxide, it reacts with carbon dioxide of the air. In atmosphere we are having air. So carbon dioxide of the air, it reacts with those calcium hydroxide. उसके बाद उसमें shine आना start होता है. And what is formed at that time? What is being formed at that time? We get calcium carbonate, CaCO3, along with this, what is there? This is not an example of combination reaction. It's just a proceeding of this thing. Okay, the combination reaction is this, the third one. So we were talking about this calcium hydroxide. This is used for whitewashing. After 2-3 days, you will observe there is a shine. The shine is because of this thing, calcium carbonate. Okay, it reacts with carbon dioxide because calcium carbonate. Along with that, you get that water. Are you clear with this reaction now? Okay. Now calcium carbonate, this is the formula of marble also, keep in mind. Okay, calcium carbonate. I hope you are clear till here. Now after that, you might have noticed we use the word heat that comes out from the reaction. On this basis, we have a term known as exothermic. Now what are exothermic reactions? I have already told you also once. Exo means exit. You know the word meaning of the word exit, bahar jana. Exit, what goes out? Thermic means heat goes out. Reactions in which heat is released, they are known as exothermic reaction. One example is over here. We'll take other examples also. Burning of natural gas. When natural gas gets burned, you know the term natural gas, gases that are found naturally in atmosphere, that act as fossil gases also. Like we take the example of, okay, just for explaining, I'm taking the example of LPG, gas cylinder. You observe gas cylinder, no? Gas cylinders, they have in them the natural gas that is known as butane. अब जब भी हम गैस को जलाते हैं, वो बर्न करते हैं, उसी हीट से कोई चीज हमारी बनती है, we cook the food with that gas. It means heat is released from there. Okay. Similarly, in your book they have taken the example of methane. Methane they have taken, and I told you the example of LPG that has butane. Okay, butane formula is not in the syllabus till now. So methane, whenever you burn this, burning means heat is used. You get carbon dioxide, you get water. Along with this, you get heat. Okay. This heat is being used. Now after that we have next another example. You very well know the process, that is the process called respiration. That's in your body only, respiration. This is also an example of exothermic reaction. See, we are doing examples of exothermic, जिसमें heat निकलती है, natural gas में heat निकली है, you can write over here. Previously we did some reactions, okay, that also can be included exothermic. Okay, it can be included in exothermic. Respiration.